Ever feel like you need a little more control over who sees your Instagram posts? Let's dive into how to selectively hide your content from specific people. First up, blocking. Head to the profile of the person you want to restrict. Tap the three dots in the upper right corner of their profile. A menu will pop up. Choose block. Instagram will confirm if you're sure this prevents them from seeing your profile, posts, and stories. They also won't be able to message you. Next, muting. This is a less drastic option. Again, go to their profile and tap the following button. Select mute. Here, you can choose to mute their posts, stories, or both. They won't know you've muted them, and you'll still remain followers. Finally, let's explore the close friends feature. Start creating a new post or story by tapping on the plus icon. Select story. Take a photo or video. Before posting, tap the close friends icon. It looks like a green star. Now, build your close friends list. Add or remove people as you see fit. Only those on this list will see stories you share with this feature. This is a great way to share more personal content with a smaller group. And that's it. You now have 3 options for controlling your Instagram privacy.